Hello mga kagamers, for today's video, imi-meet natin si Jensen at si Darwin. Tara guys! We're here na. We-meet namin si Badet. Ayun o, ayun o. Ayun. Ay. Ang friendly kong artista. Kamusta ang showbiz, Badet? Tulis kita? Sana all payat? Si Kuya, akala ko Orlok.
Ito, Orlok.
Hi, Dar.
Ayun na si Tombo.
Nga pala guys, si Jensen ay isa sa mga BFF ko. Ayan, after 5 years lang kami bago ulit nagkita kasi sa States na siya nakatira. Then, kasama niya yung hubby niya, si Darwin. May press con kasi sila ngayon kasi sila yung tumutulong ngayon sa mga Golden Gays. Kain muna tayo guys, mamaya makikita niyo sila. So guys, ito na nga ang Darzen. Ayan, si Darwin and Jensen. Kaya Darzen. So meron din pala silang YouTube channel at saka Facebook page. Follow nyo sila guys. Para mas makita nyo pa yung mga advocacy nila, yung mga ginagawa pa nila. At yung mga iba pa nilang ganap. So ayan, start na ang pa-interview ni Mayora. So ayan, pakinggan natin na konti.
My first name is Jensen Carlo Quijano.
And my name is, how do you spell it?
Jensencarlo. Quijano spells as Quijano.
And mine is Darwin Quijano. It's DarwinQuijano. So, is charity work something you've always done before, or is this the first time you've done it?
I've done a couple of outreach programs when I was a little, and it has always been close to my heart, to do charity works. Growing up, I never grew up in a silver spoon platter family, so I know how it feels like not to be, not growing up of not having anything, and believe it or not, a lot of people reach out to me before, and as I've always been told by them, don't pay it back to us, pay it forward. And that's what I'm currently doing, to pay it forward to other people so that these people will be able to go ahead and touch another lives in the future.
Yes, for me, I've been doing charity work related to my work back in Hawaii. Like what I said previously, 3 years ago, we did reach out to this foundation, Gabay sa Landas.
O, diba, kabog? Ayan, papunta naman tayo sa room nila, Darwin. Yan, syempre after nung ganap, punta muna kami sa room, pahinga, kukuha ng konting gamit. And then mamaya, sasalubungin na namin sila Chanel, yung best friend ni Darwin. And then, diretso na kami sa Tagaytay. Hi!
British na lang, kompleto. Kompleto na. Kasi bakla, late pa rin palagi.
Ilang taon?
Ito.
Ito, first day. Ito. Ay, pakilala mo ba?
Si Kuya Jake.
At yun guys, umakyat kami ulit kasi may kinuha sila Jensen sa room. At andun si Miss Geneva Cruz. Yan! Ang kanilang BFF.
Starstruck Yarn.
At syempre, hindi na natin pinalagpas mga kagams at kagamers. Nagpa-picture kami together with Miss Geneva Cruz. O, diba? Kabog. So, yun guys, on the way na tayo sa Tagaytay. So, ayun guys, andito na nga tayo. We're here na, guys. Oh, good. Nice. Ika po. One, 2.
Tingin na natin. Enjoy po kayo dyan lang dito yung spa. Ah, okay. Ay, dyan yung spa. Dyan yung magpapagod. Ay, oh, winner!
Wow.
O, diba?
Thank you.
This is it. Room tour na.
Okay, room tour. Tsaka unboxing ng mga luggage, ganon.
Diba?
Yay!
Guys, sandali lang.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Medyo selfish show.
The next day.
Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, napapansin nyo kami lang nila kuya at ni bebe ko sa room. Ayan, kasi umalis sila Darwin tsaka si Jensen. Minit yung parents niya, yung ibang relatives nila. So ayan, tingnan natin anong gagawin natin ngayong umaga. Good morning guys. I'm with kuya and bebe ko, si Trish. Ayan, palabas na. Wait ko natin. Okay, so mauuna na kami. Ayan, magbe-breakfast muna mga person. Okay, kuya, mauna ka na. Yeah, si Trish. Help! Have yourself garden. Kanan. May elevator. Ito ba yun? Saan yun?
Ito yung masarap na.
Fresh. Sun kiss, tsaka fresh air. So, dito yan, kuya. Ayun guys, nahanap kasi namin yung resto kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. Ayan. So, may renovation pala sila dito. Kaya, medyo parang maze ang atake. Elevator. Okay. Swimming ka na, bebe ko? Okay na. Good morning! Hi, good morning po.
Ano po? Mga na po. Ilan po sila? Kainan.
Chanel. Hi. Okay. Ayan, syempre for the enjoy kami ng breakfast. Sobrang sarap. Ayan si Maring Trish. Ayan, Kuya JR at Bebe ko. For the selfie kami ng bonggang-bongga. At syempre kasama si Chanel. Ayan. Selfie ulit. At their batch. Gutom na gutom siya, no? Mas talaga lumabs yan eh. Oops. Yeah, it's swimming time. Oh, business sila. Oh, pa. Oh.
Chair or something.
Meron. Oh, wow. Ayan, swimming na kami kasi medyo malilim na. Ang cute. Ito yung spa and playground. Pang buchochoy. Shower na.
This. Yeah. Gulat ako. Gulat ako. Wala na yun. Alam mo, kagabi, hinahanap ko yung...
So, dito kami.
Asan na? Walang dito.
Left. Yung left.
Oo. On, tinong init.
Okay.
Ay,
Your turn.
next.
O, diba? Shower muna.
Super ba? Ako na-inform.
Hello.
Factor.
Tara na! Yay! Magsiswimming na rin siya!
Ano sa na? Alam ko pati hindi ka mag-read.
Yeah, okay. Ten. Sige na! O, Pak Solo Baliw Yarn. O, sige, selfie pa more. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman si Kuya JR. Busy mode, vacation, pero naka-duty yan. O, diba? Sipag.
Sana all. 6 hours later.
Ay, gala. For the gala. Papalit ka, Kuya? T-shirt ka?
Ay, sorry. Pasaya na.
Naka-dress si Madam. Diretsong-diretso. So, ayan. Massage muna tayo, guys. After miming, massage. Ganon. Ay, ang ganda nun, di ba? Okay. Ta-da! Yeah! So, ayan na guys. Nandito na tayo sa Nai Tai. At syempre, mag-relax muna tayo. Yes!
Sana all.
Pak!
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, tapos na yung massage. Siyempre, bis-bis muna at check ng mga kung anik-anik. Baka may naiwan tayong gamit. Stretching, favor. And guys, nag-grocery muna si Kuya para mamaya sa midnight snack. Pag nag-movie marathon or kung ano mang gawin naming bonding or Nomo nights. Ayan, para hindi na kami lalabas.
And sweet naming.
At ayun guys, dahil gagabin sila Jensen at si Darwin, hindi namin sila makakasabay mag-dinner. Nag-decide na lang si Kuya na mag-eat out kami. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Leslie's. Samahan niyo kami guys. Seryosong seryoso sila guys. May exam. Oh, bawal kopyahan na. Charot! At ayun guys, nandito na ang ating food. So, samahan nyo kami guys kumain. Ayan, excited. Ngayon na lang kami ulit magkakasabay ni Kuya kumain. Si Ebe kung lang kasi mangot dahil ng chinichika. Ayan kasi guys, super busy mood sila. Si Kuya nakikinig sa meeting nila. Tapos ako, laps lang ng laps for the video. Si Mare naman for the phone. So ayun guys, nakabalik na kami ng hotel at dumating na rin sila Darwin. Ayan, sila Badet, sila Chanel at kasama nila si Maki.
We are going to fuck each other. Charing.
Ano fuck each other ka? Fuck you. Fuck each other ka pa.
So fun.
Orgy.
No video recording. Hindi alam ng pamilya ko na ganito ang ginagawa ko sa buhay.
So, ayun na nga guys, nagbanding lang kami, nag-inom lang konti, chikahan, gano'n, kulitan, at syempre hindi na namin na video. So, ayun, diba? Masaya.
Tomorrow.
Breakfast. Saan na kaya si Kuya? Where are you, Kuya?
Ano do?
Makati ang syukenkai ni Mare.
Yeah.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful people.
Good morning.
Good morning. I was like, oh my gosh. So where is the breakfast?
Wow. So yun guys, kaming apat ang sabay mag-breakfast ngayon. Si Manang Trish, si Maki Lazino, tsaka si Bebe kong daga. Kasi si Kuya JR, sinamahan niya sila Jensen. Kaya pumunta doon sa kabilang hotel. Kung saan nandun yung mga relatives ni Dar. Yep. Si Mama. Healthy living. Picture. Baby go. Mama Trish. Yes, Grandma. At ayun na, more selfie, more groupie kami. At after this, ayan, babalik na kami ulit sa hotel sa Manila. Si Erka na. Naantok na si Kuya. Antok na si Kuya. Hindi ka na makatulog sa McDo yan kanina. Asan si Maki? Asan si Maki? Ain't si Maki. Busy mode. Coffee ka? O, kunin mo, bebe ko.
Orange water.
Sabi niya, hindi na.
Dog food.
Ayos na, taste. Kamusta biyahin niyo?
Murder ako, batla.
Ano?
Sabi mo kay, ano, batla. Bilisan mo na siya, batla.
Dali na.
Dali, batla.
Dali na.
Yeah, why? Is there something wrong with it? Oh, thank you. I can. It's my,
Yan na.
that's my natural. And don't you ever push me to do that again. Are you videoing me? Videoing me! I'm getting irritated. Jensen. Patakisan mo, or na lang. I mean, I need to do something back in our fucking house. I died.
At ayun nga, nagpatuloy pa rin ang kulitan namin together with Maki Lasino habang inaantay sila Jensen. O, diba? Pak na pak.
Oh. It's business. Processing.
Outsource. Outsourcing.
Yung mag-freshen up na raw tayo sa taas.
No, I want to.
Mag-freshen up na raw tayo sa taas.
Parang makakakit eh, wala kang card.
Sabi ko wala kaming car.
Are you taking a video of me?
Yeah,
Why?
because I want to.
Sabi ko din tayo makapahin.
Oo.
Hi, gorgeous.
I'm on a verge of I want to go home. And I want to go home. That's the only two choices I have. I want to go home. Because honey, I'm fucking tired, you know. Can I just go home? Hey yo, Trixie. What's your choice? Do you want to go home? Or do you want to go home?
There is a choice.
Yes, you have. I just said that, bitch.
Or
Or you don't want to go home. You should go home now, bitch. Because you know what, bitch? I was like, good. Watch me, man.
Watch me, Nene.
You know what this flower? This flower is, what do you call this thing? Is it original? What do you mean original?
Dried flowers.
This is true flower. No, it's not. This is what you call autumn blow.
Oh, toad mo.
No. You know, it's autumn
A toad.
mo
Oh,
blow.
blow.
Autumn blow.
A toad ma blow. Nice flowers.
You're a fast learner.
I like you.
You're such a good tomboy, you know. You know what? We should not call you tomboy. Hey, Chanel.
What?
We should not call him tomboy. Don't call him tomboy. Oh my gosh, you just get that.
I didn't.
That is okay because one apple a day
Keeps
keeps
the
it
matting
up.
away.
The mating gara is right now. You should not call him tomboy. You should call him you.
Ano yan raw?
Mamaya na kayo. Sila maliligo. Ay, hindi. Pinapakit ko yun. Kukunin ko lang ano. Ay, yung gamit niya.
yung gamit mo nito.
You should call him you.
Iwan na natin to. Tsaka nagbasa na siya.
Naka-mock up.
At ayun guys, after natin tumawa, ayan, for the pasyal-pasyal lang muna kami ni Kuya ngayon.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Suba-suba, Kuya.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
At ayun nga guys, kailangan na rin nating umuwi at kailangan na natin maghiwa-hiwalay dahil may meet and greet pang Darsen sa BGC. At tayo naman ay meron na rin tayong mga pasok pa kinabukasan, kaya hindi na rin tayo makakasama pa kila Darwin at Jensen. So anyway, nag-enjoy kami sa araw na to. Yung pagbisita at pagkita namin, pag-reunite namin lahat. Sobrang nakakamiss. Ang dami naming na-miss. Kasi dati sobrang magkakasama kami lagi. Gabi-gabi, ganun, alam mo yun, kulitan, ganun. So, ganun pala talaga pag tumatanda na. So, marami ng mga priorities. Pero, but still, hindi pa rin namin nakakalimutan ng isa't isa. At yun lamang po guys. At syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan i-click ang aming notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye mga kagamers!
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe our channel, LJ Senior Rest.